Hello and welcome to the second Tanoshi of 2024. It has rained, but it has stopped this month. Let's spin this camera around, have a look around. This show is packed out tonight. Not quite as busy as last month or the month before, can't remember when it was, but it is still packed. Most of the people have moved down because we're going to be having some flame or rev battles coming up soon. But we're just going to have a very quick walk around the show. We have actually got the Mopar out here tonight. It does not go with the theme of JDM, hence why it's parked at the bottom of the car park. But it is here. We're out tomorrow to Bewley. If you haven't done this meet before and you're into your modern cars, I know a lot of my following is classic, but if you're into your modern cars or you just want a good night out, this is mental. You don't get better than this. I think for a modern car meet, Tanoshi's got to be the singular best one there is. Now, as I said, most people have all moved off of the entranceway here. We have some action going along here normally. Most people have moved down here. Once it gets to 8 o'clock, we're going to be having some revving action. It's 10 past 8, so I'm guessing that's just been. But you can see the amount of people this meet attracts. Now, since everyone is out of the show, and I'm not particularly interested in popping and banging cars, I prefer the V8s and the Mopars if you haven't worked that out. We're just going to keep walking around the show and showing off what's down here tonight. It's going to be a very quick walkthrough, just showing it all off tonight. As the rain is just starting to spit again, this camera ain't waterproof, so we're going to make a move through here just to get this done. We got the chameleon pearlescent skyline. Saw that as we were doing our rolling through of the show a few times, just to have a little look around in case the rain came down and we were going to shoot off. But thankfully tonight, weather has held out, which is very good. I've had enough of getting soaked at car shows. I'll still come out and do it, but yeah, it does get a bit tiresome sometimes. So we're just making our way up to the front of the show. This is where the tent is up here, the main Tanoshi tent. They got the speakers, the rev battle going on, flame battles. They have a whole lot. So I haven't seen any police down here tonight, surprisingly. Normally they're down here in force. I know last time they were down here. A lot of them were here. But tonight it has been very quiet on the police front. We have a very good reputation with them anyway, so it's not like they should be causing us any problems. But I was going to keep this very brief, very quick, just going through, giving you an overview of what this event has to offer. Not even going to try and get in the middle of all of that. So as you can tell, just walking through, we have a mix of everything. If you haven't done this meet before, the atmosphere is so chilled out. You have some great cars just rolling through the show. said, I'm not into the modern cars.
Yeah, it's not like we can.
But this meet is the one to do. If you like your modern cars, I've done a lot of the modern shows, to be fair, as well. But Tanoshi really is just up there with how good the shows are. It really is got to be one of the best. We've got electric charging bays up there, so whatever car you have, you can charge up if you need. We have got the petrol station over the back, which I should probably be making a visit into. Mopar's running low on fuel, but we will get that sorted. We've got a Mustang down there, the number plate falling off. As we make our way down into the third row here. Just keeping this very quick as we just walk through. I have got a new camera at home that I do want to try and have a play around with tonight before I go off to a big American car show tomorrow. And I would like to try and get this video kind of quick so I can actually edit it and get it out. Editing takes forever, but we're constantly out on the move, all over. I'm not even going to try and say what cars I'm looking at here, because most of them I do not know. Modern cars I am dreadful with. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you would know that. Classic stuff, yeah, I'll be half decent at that. Modern cars, not so much. But we've got a few rows left. It's not as busy tonight, kind of as I was expecting. This meet is incredible. And just walking around, you can see we're already 7 minutes in, and we're still walking left and right, cars all over the place. I haven't done anything up at this top row, I haven't done anything behind me at the very back row, but we're still walking through. And just walking around here, cars everywhere. But it's been unfortunate. The weather today has been dreadful. Really dreadful. All day long it has been raining, and this is probably the first time today it's actually stopped. I was looking out the window at home and it didn't look good. But it has cleared up for us, thankfully, tonight. Has all gone pretty well tonight. I'm happy with the turnout. I'll probably throw in some driving through here footage. I'm not entirely sure, but I think we'll wrap this up in a moment, head back to the car, head off home. Got a lot of stuff to try and catch up with. But as you can just tell, I have a very quick look in the end car park here. Just got to keep your wits about you, look left and right, crossing the road. There's cars everywhere. Also, we're 10 minutes into this video. Just walking through. If you've been watching this far, you're probably hoping that you can get to the next one. If this is your sort of scene and you like what you're seeing, make sure to follow Tanoshi on Instagram. But yeah, I think we'll end that here. We're going to head down to the Mopar and we'll call that the end of the second Tanoshi of the year. Has been a very good one, and classic Escort as well. Just to finish it off, But 10 minutes in, still walking around, seeing cars we haven't seen yet. Really is a meet. If you've never done it before, I really do recommend doing it. But I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more. It's normally all classic car stuff I do, hence why I drive a classic, but I do tend to sometimes bring it down to the modern meets. It's nice mixing out with everyone down here. Doesn't matter what you drive, it's all about passion, getting down to the
David, I swear it's really expensive to get it.
But I definitely chose my time to do the walk around. Everyone's coming back out from the flame battles that are up at the top by the tent. Yeah, as you can see, busy night. Let's head down to the front where the motor. Just walking our way down. Black wing car as well. But yeah, if you haven't done a Tanoshi before, make sure you get down to one. It is an awesome meet, even though I'm into all the classic stuff. The team that put this on put an incredible amount of effort to pull this off. It is very good. I don't know what this is, but fucking the colour on it. And we'll end that with the Mopar. So hope you have enjoyed the video, and till next time, see you all soon. See you later everyone, bye. And a bonus clip to go on the end of the video. We have the Bonneville, we have the Mopar, and we have the Mustang. We have all the classics down at the bottom of the car park. And as I said, I'm into the classics, so best part of the car park.